very good place. Because hello guys and good morning from Shanghai. So this is our day 2 here in Shanghai, China. So right now we are staying here at Grace Select Hotel. I'll upload the review. No, it's quite good hotel because it's very big considering the fact na affordable yung hotel. So right now, may mga pupuntahan tayo. Kung ano man yan, hindi ko pa naaral because may mga some changes na ginawa yung tour guide natin. But for our day 1, ang ganda po ng pinuntahan natin, which is the Starbucks Reserve Shanghai, which is the biggest Starbucks here in Asia. Then followed by Ninjang Road and then the Bund Sightseeing Platform. So yun, may pinuntahan pa kaming church but again, I prefer dun sa tatlo. Anyway, the thing is, very underrated tong Shanghai. Most of mga tourists tends to go to Hong Kong, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Beijing, but Shanghai is for one of the best part of China. So medyo mataas lang yung cost of living, no? Just to take highlight doon, because when we had our merienda yesterday sa Starbucks, apat lang na drinks and dalawang pastry or tatlo. Umabot kami ng 2,700 pesos, ganun kamahal dito yung Starbucks Reserve, no? But yeah, worth it. Makikita nyo sa mga i-upload ko sa Instagram and Facebook yung mga photos natin. And then also the Ninjang, oh my god, gusto kong bumalik. If lilipat kami doon sa malapit doon sa area na yun, kahit gabi pupunta po tayo, napakaganda. Also the Bund Sightseeing Platform, very good. But yeah, ang inaabangan natin will be our last day. So as of today, wala pa tayong idea kung ano yung mga itinerary natin kasi ang daming ginawang changes ng ating tour guide because yung nag-plot ng itinerary, hindi siguro siya aware na yung some areas ay magkakalapit lang, yung some areas ay magkakalayo. So yun. So yeah, that's all for today and bababa tayo. We will have our quick lunch, breakfast and then sakay na tayo sa bus. Okay, bye-bye. For now. Hello guys and good morning. So this is our first stop for our itinerary for today. This is the Chukwan market. So we are currently located right now at the end of Chukwan market. As per our tour guide, wala tong number. So yung mga Chukwan market kasi may numbering yan. So yung dinaanan natin kanina it's 7-8 tapos followed by building na walang pangalan. Pero ang trademark, if you're looking for a bargain, one will be this one. It's a Chinese character, this one. Pero ang magiging palatandaan nyo is in front siya nito, Anren Street. So yan. So tandaan nyo na lang tong signage. Very cheap siya because medyo malayo na sa Chukwan Market. So we'll go inside and we'll see kung ano yung mga pwede natin bilhin for our souvenirs at saka mga pasalubong for our relatives and then friends, office mate, kung sino man pagbibigyan nyo. So yeah, come with me as I tour you around dito sa loob ng souvenir shop. Okay? So this one is one set. So this one is a lotion. Isang set siya, hand cream as well. Iba-iba siya ng scent per what we're going to do is that we're going to buy one set probably. We're going to give this one to our manager sa office. Then also yung mga relatives natin na mahilig sa hand cream. So this one. Excuse me. How much is this one? Yeah, how much is this one?
Just a moment.
Okay.
像这一款的话，是符合这款性冷慢以后都很不错。它里面的话是有2个雪花膏不是保湿的，还有一个珍珠膏美白提亮精华保湿霜不是保湿的，还有一个珍珠膏美白提亮的，有一个润肤。看到没有？看到没有
Okay.
那个伞多少钱？那个
So this one is for all right?
$41。
For all. I found this one, mga white rabbit na candy. Tapos authentic from China. Lalaki. See? Yan. Ito siya. Isang pink, tapos isang white rabbit na malaki. Shanghai. Then also they have this one. This one is very ano siya, natikman ko. It's very tasty. Cracker siya pero ano siya, parang white chocolate yung laman niya. Then also this
And the crab roll.
yung ganito. Which is I bought is very very tasty, very recommended. Tapos nasa dulo kasi baka bentahan tayo. Yung ganito. Natikman ko na siya. Hindi ko na pinakita sa camera but it's so good. It's a wafer. Basically it's a wafer tapos meron siyang peanut butter tapos may nuts. Very tasty siya. So yeah. Let's go around that. This one are their ref magnet. If you bought 5, you can get 1 for free. Tapos also this one, no? If you bought 5, you will get 1 for free. They also have this very unique ref magnet that they are selling. Sorry, may pinafood taste kasi ulit eh. Alam, pinakain na naman sa akin. Kahit anong abot nila basta free. Hindi man. If you go here, you'll see a lot of rev magnet also. Then also they are selling some bags here. Parents not branded but I don't know the quality but they have here. Tapos they have unique souvenirs as well. Okay, tapos this one, the traditional pamaypay. Okay. So, meron akong ganito, nabili ko sa Guangzhou. Tapos, they also have these mga ibang ano items like this one. This one is the silk. They're selling this one 100. Yeah.
This is silk. This is good. This is not silk.
Yeah.
This is silk.
These are silk. Different kind of silk. Tapos they also have these mga traditional women
This
dress.
is good. Can you look?
And then also,
This is silk.
yeah. And for men also. Yep. Here. So it's
Silk.
yeah, silk.
You white?
No. Yeah. So yeah. Don't forget to visit this one. Because they're selling a lot of items here. Tapos yung mga ganyan. Or fridge magnet. Different kind of unique fridge magnet. This one is naglalight siya kapag binunot to. So I'll show you. Diba? It's lighting. So if this one is 99 and the other one is the single one is the 69. And they have unique sets of keychain as well. How much is this one, madam? 10. Okay. Don't forget to visit this one. Very, ano siya, stress feeling na kasi nasa isa na lahat ng kailangan yung hanapin. So yeah, let's pay it na. This one, nabili ko na. Yan naman nabili ko. So ganyan karami yung binili ko. My goodness. Ilalagay na lang muna namin dito kasi magla-lunch na. Babalikan na lang mamaya. Hello guys, and we are here at our first stop, which is the Chukwan Market. So this is one of the trendy places here in Shanghai. So bakit nga ba? Tuwing gabi, this traditional place na Chukwan ay umiilaw sa gabi. This one. Ito sa inyo. For sure dumaan na rin to sa feed nyo. Ayan. So hindi nyo napapansin sa camera pero it will ako nakikita ko ngayon na dun sa mga edges and even dun sa roof mismo may mga Christmas lights na nakaabang. So I don't know what is the reason of our tour guide bakit niya nilagay ito sa umaga pero at night very very beautiful siya, very recommended. So yeah, let's have a quick tour and I'll show you what is Chukwan Market inside. So kapag dito sa labas mapapansin nyo may mga stalls. So basically it's a souvenir stalls, may mga apparel din. Tapos may mga kainan daw sa loob. Pero let's see kung may temple ba sa loob. So, tara! Here.
好，可以看一下，了解一下道院结果稳上支付时。
So ito yung mga makikita nyo sa loob ng Chukwan. Mga pagawaan ng bracelet, rings. They also have here mga herbal na stores. No? And when you go here, you'll see another herbal stores. No? Sorry, hindi, no. It's incense. When you are at the center of Chukwan Market, you'll see this one. Diba? So this one is Chukwan Market 1, 2. I assume that one is 3 and 4 yung sa dulo. Tapos itong nakikita natin, it's 7 and 8. No? Itong pinasukan natin. So this one is good, no? There are lots of stuff here. Stalls na they're selling souvenirs, delicacies. So yun. Don't forget to visit this one. This one is very famous at night, no? Yung light niya, grabe, ang ganda talaga. Nakikita to sa sa mga platform na katulad ng Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. And even sa TikTok and YouTube. Sorry, kung na-mention ko yung YouTube kanina. So yan. Let's take a picture of this site. No? Very good place. So yeah, this is the Chukwan Market. Right now, we are here at Lubulang Restaurant in Yuyuan Old Street. And guess what? This is part of our itinerary. Yes, guys, free lunch na. Diba? Sulit.
Steaming egg, no pork. Steaming egg, no pork.
So you see, like those style, look at your right. But the building here will be better. One floor like that. So we'll go there, and I will show you inside, and then come back to the bus because it's raining.
We are here at Zhujiajiao, Asian town here in Shanghai, and this is our second stop for our tour. So this is called Mini Kyoto. So mga Asian houses dito ang makikita natin, and also parang there's a lake here. Kung tama yung rinig ko kanina sa bus, because it's kind of raining, tapos medyo maingay sa labas, so was not able to hear tour guide properly. So yun. Tapos there's an entrance fee of 60 yuan per person. So yun. For now, we're going inside because our tour guide will count us kung ilan kami in total, and they're going to settle the entrance fee. So come with me as we tour you here sa Zhujiajiao Asian Town. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let me check everyone's here. Everyone.
Walking into Zhujiajiao Ancient Town. It's raining but honestly, mas romantic yung vibe. Parang nasa Chinese movie lang.
For me, parang siya. Parang siyang more Hanok compared to Kyoto. Maybe because of the structure na para siyang village. Compared to Kyoto na well-maintained yung ancient structure ng mga bahay. No? Kasi sa Hanok ganito din. May mga stalls din, food stalls, apparel, souvenir shop. Diba? So, yeah. For me, it's more of a Hanok village sa Korea compared to Kyoto. So, I'm not disregarding the fact na maganda yung place. But it's more of recognizing kung ano ba talaga yung pinaka-similarity niya, no? So, yeah. Let's see, ito pa. May isa pang puntahan dito. Yan. Yan siya. Yan. Diba? Mabili yan ng mga jewelries. Ito mga to. Supply na gawa sa coin. Mga damit, you can wear this tapos nagpapapicture ka rito sa Asian Town. So yeah, you have a lot of options here. No? But again, kung hindi lang umuulan, very recommended tong place na to because it's very giving you the nostalgic vibe ng Shanghai. Ito yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga Shanghai movies. Ganda dito sa boat na to. Kung hindi lang umulan, I'll try na sumakay dito. It's a 15-minute ride, end to end, from dito sa dulo up until doon sa unahan, tapos babalik doon sa dulo. So I don't know kung magkano yung bayad dyan. So yun lang, basically ganyan lang siya na may mga parating pang boat. So there's a lake in the middle of this Zhujiajiao Asian town. So yan.
So later, no more change. And then the general and the emperor Jiu Shihuang and the Wang Jie, he discovered a stone tablet, counted on which there were these words: with a T, the word and other struggle. Without
Hello guys and good afternoon from Shanghai. So this is our third spot here. This is Wuxi. No, this is located at the center of a mountain here sa Shanghai. So basically, this is called Mini Kyoto, and for some reason, it looks like Kyoto talaga. Ano yung vibe niya, no? So there's a trivia a while ago, but shortly naputol siya because our tour guide was able to see na malapit na kami sa place. So bigyan niya lang kami ng mga some tips as to what are the things na kailangan namin i-avoid at saka kailangan namin tandaan when visiting Wuxi. So this is a sacred place for them, and this is one of the famous tourist spots here sa Shanghai. So yeah, diba ang ganda niya sa labas. So let's see kung ano yung mga makikita natin sa loob. And I'll give you some overview ng mga kailangan nyo expect when you visit this Mini Kyoto or Wuxi. Okay?
Now we are entering Wuxi. May entrance fee ito na around nasa 90 to 120 Chinese yuan. Pero trust me, sobrang worth it. Ang ganda ng place, para ka talaga nasa Kyoto.
Yep.
We are about to hop on this shuttle here in Wuxi. And yes guys, included na siya sa ticket, so no extra gastos. Let's go! We are near at the first stop in Wuxi, and grabe guys, look at these flower fields. Isa ito sa mga highlights of this trip. Grabe, the colors, sobrang dreamy, parang wallpaper in real life. Worth it talaga guys. Flower fields are massive, kaya sumama na ako sa frame because honestly, I'm so happy to be here.
Hello guys, and we are here at the lavender fields dito sa Mini Kyoto sa Wuxi. No, so hindi it's not Wuxi, it's Wuxi. So yeah, laki nito. Actually, mayroon pa dito. Ayan. This is Wuxi. No, so on the other side, it's another sets of flowers. But this one is very good. Let's see, parang mga tulip ata yung sabi. Ganda. Welcome to Wuxi! And nakikita nyo rito yung tower. Yung parang sa Kyoto. Anong ba tawag nila dyan? Pagoda. Diba? Parang pagoda. So,
Now, checking out this orange mini flower fields here in Wuxi. Small but super vibrant. And ang ganda nilang tignan up close. Perfect spot for quick snap.
orange part here sa Wuxi. This is a orange flowers that you could see on the other side ng lavender fields. So yan. 'Di ba? Parang late nga mag-evening dito sa sa Wuxi. So yeah. Yan. So as you can see, this is the main road dito sa Wuxi, or mas kilalang Mini Kyoto. So as you can see yung structure ng mga bahay, diba? Very ancient, no? Yan. The other side, ganun din. So ang difference lang talaga is that yung village itself nurtured the old or traditional houses noong panahon. Pupunta tayo dun sa pagoda because there's a show on ng 7:15. So, yeah, let's take a look at this show. Tapos, ilipat tayo dun sa may parang lake because there's another show na gaganapin in 15 minutes. Okay? Ganda nitong place na to, no? Mas maganda siya sa gabi. Actually, dun sa may I forget yung pinuntahan namin sa Japan. Yung part ng Kyoto na ganito, yung mga traditional houses. Ang ganda niya rin sa umaga. So, probably ganito rin. Sige nga, pagka makabalik kami ng Japan, hopefully this year lang, try namin pumunta ng dun sa famous pagoda sa Kyoto ng gabi. Kasi nung last kami pumunta afternoon. And this place is very scenic, no? In terms of the lights. There's tons of lights all over the place. And hindi ka mabibitin. So it's a good thing to do kapag nandito ka sa Shanghai to visit this place. Diba? No, malayo talaga to, isolated area. But again, it's very iconic in terms of, kala mo Japan lang yung may ganito. But yeah. And pala, sa mga ibang bahay dito, they have structural na parang Shirakawa wherein parang yung bubong nila cut, no? Yung mga, I forgot what they call this one, but like this one. Kung napapansin yung bubong niya.
On our way to the Nanhua Bay Light Show. And this is the highlight of this trip, guys. Expect a magical night you definitely don't wanna miss. That's wrap up our trip from shopping and exploring the Yuyuan Old Street to walking through the rainy charm of Zhujiajiao ancient town and finally experiencing the beauty of Wuxi up close. This tour was truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that like button. Drop a comment and share this with your friends. I also have a TikTok where I post a short clips and travel tips. So make sure to check that out. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more travel updates and content. Thank you for watching guys and see you on my next travel vlog.